good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when genuine affection empowers and stabilizes. Ladies and gentlemen, in a world where emotions rise quickly and settle slowly, genuine affection remains a quiet, stabilizing force. Not because it tries to fix, persuade, or impress, but because it flows from inner order. True affection does not begin in interaction. It begins in alignment. When it is authentic, empowerment forms at the source and emotional stability naturally reaches the heart it touches. Let us look at the perspective from the affection giver's side, where empowerment takes root. Genuine affection is a conscious inner state. It does not arise from impulse, habit, or need. Neuroscience shows that emotional strength grows when responses emerge from clarity rather than reaction. Ancient wisdom arrived at the same conclusion long ago, that inner steadiness is the birthplace of outer harmony. Empowerment deepens when the inner sun is active, when awareness, alignment, and communion with the cosmic intelligence bring coherence to the inner state. This inner sun is not symbolic, it is functional. When it shines, thoughts align, emotions settle, and actions gain integrity. From such coherence, affection radiates effortlessly. Physics reflects this truth that aligned systems transmit energy smoothly, without resistance or loss. In the same way, affection offered from inner alignment does not exhaust the giver. It strengthens, it empowers. Here lies true emotional mastery, in the ability to remain warm without being unsettled, caring without losing center, present without being pulled. Affection becomes a natural expression of inner order, and not an effort, not a role, not a transaction. Let's examine the side of the affection receiver, where stability is felt. For the receiver, genuine affection arrives as emotional safety. It is sensed before it is explained. Psychology confirms that calm, consistent, and sincere human presence regulates emotional responses and stabilizes inner states. Affection received from a grounded source does not overwhelm or confuse. It steadies. Small actions such as reliability, attentive listening, quiet support gently settle the nervous system. Trust forms without demand. One feels valued without being claimed. This is why genuine care is unmistakable. It carries no urgency, no pressure, only reassurance. Emotional stability is not imposed. It emerges naturally in the presence of authentic affection. What's the way forward? The way forward lies in strengthening the source and thus begins with the giver. Strengthen inner alignment, pause before reacting, choose clarity over assumption, let intention and action move together. These small conscious choices activate coherence and keep the inner sun radiant. As inner order deepens, affection becomes steady and reliable. Empowerment remains with the giver, while emotional stability continues to unfold wherever that affection reaches. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, genuine affection is not merely an emotional exchange. It is the quiet transmission of inner harmony. Empowerment belongs to the one who is aligned within. Stability reaches the one who receives. When inner coherence is achieved, affection no longer fluctuates. It radiates. This timeless truth finds profound expression in the words of Lord Krishna in the revered Bhagavad Gita. One who remains undisturbed in sorrow, free from craving in joy, liberated from attachment, fear and agitation, such a one is established in wisdom. When the inner sun shines in such wisdom, affection becomes effortless for the giver. It carries no urgency, no expectation, no demand, only genuine warmth like the steady radiance of the sun in the sky. And in that warmth, hearts find calm, minds find balance, emotional stability settles naturally within the receiver, while inner empowerment continues to deepen within the giver. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.